Hello everyone and welcome back to Mason Jar Garage. I know I'm always saying that video is going to be short, but never quite make it there. This one's actually going to be short. I haven't got a lot done, but I have managed to get all of the tires dismounted and new ones mounted on the 79 Pontiac Bonneville Safari wagon wheels. I'm about to put the last one on, and then we're going to take a look under the hood at some disappointing news I figured out, and talk about what we're going to do to remedy that issue. And then if I can manage to get or find the key to that Mini right there, I'm going to try to get these moved. I kind of know where it is, but not really. But I need to get the Minis moved so I can offload the wagon right there on my concrete pad and have a decent place to work. Get the quick jacks under it and get underneath and start working on the gas tank. I have had a look under it while it's up on the wagon. It's actually in pretty decent condition. I did find a couple of little spots in the floor pans that I'm going to have to patch, but I think they're pretty solid overall. Someone's also already done me the favor of removing the cat on here and having it straight piped. At least I'm pretty sure these had a cat on them from what I've read. So anyway, I'm going to get to mounting this tire, and then we'll move along into looking under the hood and everything. Sorry, I said mounting a tire, but I meant mounting a wheel. Always an excellent idea to start any kind of nut or bolt, but at the moment the lug nuts by hand so you don't cross thread. If you've never cross threaded something, you'll definitely know when you do it. It just feels different. They get really hard to turn suddenly. And you should definitely stop at that point, back it off, and try again. When you're doing lug nuts or several other things really, but in this case again lug nuts, you want to tighten them in a star pattern. Let me spin you around. So I've got them all snug down here, just where the tension's on them, but they're not tight. I'm not torquing these at the moment because I'm just going to pull these back off once I get this off the trailer. But star pattern. You also don't have to install them with the power of Zeus. This thing will go up. It's pretty high torque. I read it on it too. But that's all we're doing for now. We don't need to do anything else since it's not going to be on the road before we have these back off. So give me a minute. I'm going to get the jack out of here, get things cleaned up, and then we'll be back. Alright, just a quick walk around before we jump up on the trailer here, open the hood again. It's way better with some fresh tires on it. I just had to move it back on the trailer a little, and it rolls way better too. Go figure. Alright, so we're going to jump up on there and get under the hood, and I'll be back. Alright, this is going to be kind of quick because I'm having to hold the hood up as I stand here. But I found out this is actually a Buick 350, not a Pontiac. So that's a big womp womp for me. But I was already working on a 455, and by working on, I'm still sourcing everything for it, but I've got almost everything I need now. So the plan is going to be, see if we can get this to run, and run, you know, well, or if it doesn't run well, we'll know that too. And then we're going to yank this out of there and put that 455 in here once I have it complete. And I want to get that done before July, when Pontiac Nationals are going on, because I plan to go to that, and I plan to drive this there if nothing happens, and I'd like to have that in there before I go. So anyway, that's the current plan. It's getting later on in the day. This is a Sunday, so this should be coming out tonight if nothing happens. So I'm probably not going to get it off the trailer yet again, but if I do happen to get it off the trailer, I'll be back with that. Otherwise, hopefully that'll be next weekend's video. And incidentally, one way you can tell it's a Buick is right here. The distributor's in the front. Valve covers and whatnot are also different. Fortunately, the transmission should work fine. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. I will see you next week.
Mason jars on dusty shelves to save us now. Neon lights flicker hard, shadows dance aloud. Rusty tools on memories, we share the scars. In this garage we raise hell, fixing cars.